This tractor, the motor was rebuilt over the winter. Tore it right down, top to bottom. New bearings, new seals, new crank, the whole 9 yards. She's a Ford. She takes a licking and keeps on ticking.